We've included all the links to the products in this video in the description below, so head on down there for all the latest information and pricing. Online shopping has totally changed the game when it comes to getting your hands on the most awesome bits of tech. In fact, there are so many new and crazy products entering the marketplace every single day that it can be a job in itself to pick out the best ones. As usual, we've put in the hours of research for you and compiled this list of 10 of the coolest super gadgets and inventions you can buy right now. Do you spend hours vacuuming and dusting, only for it all to seemingly reappear again overnight? You wouldn't be the only person to experience this especially frustrating aspect of home maintenance. Enter the Samsung Jet 75, a super high-end vacuum cleaner that's been designed to bust dust and dirt like no other. With 200 watts of pure suction power under the hood, the Samsung Jet 75 takes vacuuming your home to another level. Carpets and other surfaces that usually act as a trap for stubborn dirt are no match for this incredible bit of kit. A specially designed 5-layer HEPA filtration system not only captures the tiniest of dust particles, but also prevents them from escaping out into your home again from the vacuum. That means you can focus on cleaning up new messes instead of worrying about old ones sneaking back in. With its sleek frame and wireless operation, the Samsung Jet 75 stores away easily and out of sight. What's more, the included charging cradle can be tucked away in a cupboard or other secluded space along with it, so that it's always ready to go whenever dust decides to make an appearance. Trying to get some shut-eye in a room where the temperature just isn't right can make falling asleep near enough impossible. It doesn't matter whether it's baking hot or freezing cold, your quality of sleep is going to suffer if you're not at a temperature you find comfortable. The BedJet 3 is an innovative new approach to perfect bedtime temperatures that might just be the best investment you could make in a quality night's sleep. You probably have some sort of climate control system in your home, even if it's just simple radiators and a fan for the summer. The BedJet 3 is a fully customizable climate control system for your bed. It controls the temperature and ensures that you get to sleep exactly how you want, whether that's warm and toasty for the winter or cool and fresh on those hot summer nights. Even more clever is the ability to set a dynamic temperature control schedule for the night. You can choose which times you want things to heat up or cool down, ensuring that those 3 a.m. cold spots don't wake you up or disturb that all-important REM sleep. Keeping a home clean and tidy used to be a full-time job for many people. But with modern lifestyles becoming busier and busier over the years, it's been much harder to dedicate that amount of time to keeping a home ship-shape and sparkling clean. The D-Bot 500 is a budget-friendly robot vacuum cleaner that's here to help you free up your all-important personal time and keep your home looking fantastic. Unlike other affordable robot vacuum cleaners, the D-Bot 500 offers some seriously impressive connectivity options. It's got a free-to-download smartphone app that allows full control of the device, and even offers Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant integration for voice-activated cleaning. The D-Bot 500 makes short work of dirt, crumbs, pet hair, and other household debris as it makes its way around your home through the cleaning cycle process. Several smart sensors ensure that it avoids collisions and cleans as close to the edges of the room as possible. The kind of person who likes to be prepared for life on the go, then you've probably carried a multi-tool around with you at some point in your life. However, it's not always practical to carry some of the larger and more bulky frame tools on the market around with you everywhere. That's where the Geeky multi-tool comes in. At a glance, you'd be forgiven for mistaking the Geeky multi-tool for a regular household key. But this clever little tool is far more than a simple door unlocking device. With one of these on your keyring, you'll be fully equipped to take on all those annoying little jobs that normally have you frustratedly wondering, where did I leave this specific tool? Packing in a closed wrench, multi-fit screwdriver, wire bender, file, can opener, wire stripper, bottle opener, a smoking pipe, and even more. The Geek Key is a serious bit of kit for anyone who wants to be prepared no matter what the situation is at hand. Ever wanted to learn a bit more about electronics and robotics, but always found traditional learning a bit boring? The RoboMaster S1 is a build-it-yourself mini tank drone that makes learning exciting for kids and big kids alike. You'll learn a ton about how robotics work as you go through the process of assembling this awesome little tank. The educational aspect gets pumped right up to 100 with the ability to engage in some easy-to-learn DIY coding that allows you to create tasks for the RoboMaster S1, varying from the simple to incredibly complex. A built-in camera not only gives you access to a first-person view of the action, but also allows you to record full 1080p HD videos of your adventures. When you're all set up, the RoboMaster S1 is ready to head into battle. It's armed with a turret-mounted gun that can unload a barrage of harmless gel beads or fire infrared light beams to do battle with a friend's S1. Every kitchen needs a few tools and gadgets as standard, and the humble can opener is just about as ubiquitous as a chef's knife or a cheese grater. The Master Opener is a can opener like you've never seen before, offering up 5 different opening functions in one cleverly designed tool. Designed by iconic Swiss cookware brand Kuhn Rikon, the Master Opener is no cheap multitasking kitchen gadget from an infomercial. This ingenious bit of kit will revolutionize the way you open tin cans, thanks to the specially designed cutting mechanism that opens them up without leaving any of the dangerous sharp edges you usually see. Think that's impressive? The Master Opener also acts as a bottle opener, pops pull tabs on cans, undoes screw tops, and even allows you to release the pressure on jar lids so that they can be easily unscrewed by hand. Everyone who loves spending time in the wilderness knows just how frustrating it can be to try and keep electronics charged up and running on an extended trip away from a regular source of electricity. The Camp Stove 2 is a nifty little camping stove that allows you to use the power of fire to generate essentially unlimited amounts of electricity on the go. This incredible little camping stove not only allows you to sizzle up the perfect meal, but also generates electricity whenever it's lit. Internal fans increase air circulation, which in turn increases the efficiency of your fuel burn. Now, generating power is all well and good, but it isn't much use unless you can store it. That's why the Camp Stove 2 features a 2600 milliamp hour battery that allows you to charge up all of your gadgets without needing to start a fire every single time. Do you love camping? Do you also love driving? There's nothing quite like hitting the open road and pitching a tent wherever you happen to end up after a long day in the fast lane. But mustering up the energy to actually pitch that tent isn't exactly fun when you're tired from driving all day. Enter the LandMoto Pro, an amazing gadget that automatically converts your car into a tent in moments with just the push of a button. Offering all year-round protection against the elements, the LandMoto Pro isn't just an ordinary tent bolted onto the roof of your vehicle. This amazing portable shelter is capable of withstanding winds of up to 30 miles per hour and can even reduce the temperature inside your vehicle by up to 97 degrees Fahrenheit. While it may look complicated, this clever tent is actually incredibly easy to get set up and ready to go. You can have the LandMoto Pro fully installed and ready to deploy in as little as 30 seconds. As modern lives get busier and busier, we often find ourselves without the time to enjoy our favorite hobbies and wish we could have an extra set of hands. The DoBot Magician is the helping hand you've always dreamed of, with a few extra tricks hidden up its sleeve that'll amaze you. The DoBot Magician is like the Swiss Army knife of robots. Its utility is limited only by your imagination and how you choose to apply its vast skill set. You can use this incredible robot arm for everything from 3D printing with a dual filament system to laser engraving via an optional add-on. If you've got a task, there's a pretty good chance the DoBot Magician can help you out in one way or another. You can even code custom commands for the DoBot Magician using more than 20 different programming languages, making this the ideal tech product for anyone who wants to learn some coding skills in a practical, fun environment. Personal transportation can be as safe and boring as you like. Or It can be an adrenaline-fueled thrill ride. It's really all down to your approach to life. If you like to live life in the slow lane, you might want to look away now, as our final gadget is all about delivering a fun, fast-paced, and exciting way of getting around. These are the Razor Jets heel wheels. Simply attach the Razor Jets heel wheels to your normal sneakers, and in moments, you're ready to go. These clever little wheels fit shoes up to a US adult size 12, so they're able to be enjoyed by almost anyone. In no time at all, you'll be cruising around like you've been skating your entire life, thanks to the stable platform and easy-to-master learning curve. Want to pump up the excitement factor another notch? The Razor Jets heel wheels can blast out a trail of sparks simply by applying your heel to the ground as you skate. And that's 10 super gadgets and inventions you can buy on Amazon. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos and subscribe to be part of the fun. Click on the notification icon so you can see our new videos as soon as they're uploaded. That's it for now.